Okay, so looking at question 6 from the quotient rule homework, we've got a fraction, so we know we need to use the quotient rule, and we write it as u over v. U is always the numerator, v is always the denominator. So u is 2x plus 1, v is x plus 1 all cubed. Differentiate each of those with respect to x. So du dx is 2, dv dx is an example of using the chain rule, so we bring the power to the front, differentiate the bracket, which will just give us 1, and then reduce the power on the bracket by 1. Okay, and the key thing here, do not expand this bracket, keep it as x plus 1 all squared, and we're going to see why that's important shortly. So then, quotient rule states dy dx is equal to voodoo minus u dv by dx all over v squared. Sub in, don't worry about trying to simplify it just yet, just write them in the order. So v is x plus 1 cubed, du dx is 2, u is 2x plus 1, put that in brackets to make sure you subtract the whole thing, and dv dx is 3 lots of x plus 1 all squared. All of that over v, which is x plus 1 cubed, and then we need to square all of that. So at this stage here, we're just going to make our top line look a bit neater. Okay, and what we can do is we can see that there's an x plus 1 common to all the terms on the top, so we're going to factorise out. Okay, so we take it to the front. What comes out of that? This first term is 2 lots of x plus 1. Out of the second term is minus 3 times 2x plus 1. Okay, and now we've got x plus 1 squared, so it might be worth pausing there just to check you're happy with that factorising. We've got x plus 1 squared out the front, and we've got an x plus 1 to the 6 on the bottom. So we can cancel out both of those with 2 of those. Okay, and that's almost always going to happen. You'll be able to cancel out with your denominator. We then expand that bracket, so 2x plus 2. Expand this bracket, minus 6x minus 3. All over x plus 1 to the power 4. Okay, and then we can just neaten up that top. Collect our like terms, so it's minus 4x minus 1 all over x plus 1 to the power 4. Okay, so the critical line is up here. We've seen that we've got x plus 1 squared common to both of these. So if we take x plus 1 squared out of that, we're left with 2 lots of x plus 1. If we take x plus 1 squared out of that, we're left with minus 3 lots of 2x plus 1. Okay, then expand. Okay, I'd like you now to have a go at question 7 and question 8. Okay, because everybody could do those better in terms of your simplification. There should always be something that cancels out top and bottom. And just to test, you've actually watched the video. The secret word is croissant.